Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up or write down the dimensions in video on Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change or write dimensions, you just simply have to open your Amazon Prime application at first and go to your profile page. And from there, tap into this gear icon in order to go to settings, and after going into the settings, you will see stream and downloads at the first. Just simply tap into that and then you will get to see streaming quality at the top. Again, tap into streaming quality. And now you can choose the dimension for your videos on Amazon Prime Video. Just simply select if you want the best, which will consume 1.82 gigabytes of data per hour, and if you set it into better, it will consume 0.72 gigabytes per hour, and so on. Just simply select the dimensions and the quality that you want, and after that it will be automatically set into Amazon. By following these very easy steps, you can easily set up dimension for your video on Amazon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.